Hello.
Hello, Kitty.
Oh, I'm Alice.
Ah, you're Alice. I thought you're Kitty. That's why. Hello, Kitty.
Hmm.
No. Okay, good morning, Kanchi.
Good morning.
So how are you? Did you eat your breakfast now?
I eat already and
Wow.
finished.
What did you eat for today?
Bread and sausages.
And also milk?
Hmm. Also milk.
Yeah, did you
I
drink milk?
don't. I don't drink milk. Not ready.
Okay. So
Let's
anyway,
learn.
yes, let's learn. Oh, what happened? Okay. Okay, so our lesson for today will be Unit 25. Which one is different? Okay, so let's have activity A. Write words for the pictures. Draw another picture and complete the sentence. Look at here. Okay, so this one is an example, okay? Armchair. So you have to put a line on your answer, okay, Kenchi?
Wait for me.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you finished? How about, where's your answer? How about towel? Put a line on the word towel and on the picture. Okay, fan,
Kite. Bead.
kite,
Hmm. Wait for me. I will think it's bead. Bead.
okay, that's beard. How about towel and plane and sofa?
Towel. Time. Towel. Finish.
Okay, so let's see. Armchair, that is an example. Now this one is a plane. This is a fan. This is a towel. That is a kite. That is a beard. Okay, and this is a sofa. Very good. Okay, so now let's answer the following questions, okay? So number one is an example. A plane, a blank and a blank can fly.
A plane can fly.
Uh, what do you think is the
Uh,
two missing
a,
words?
a plane in the sky can fly.
Okay, so a plane and a kite. And also you have to put one more thing that can fly, okay? But I will give this point to you. Number two, three
The
men
have got uh have got bead.
Okay,
The
very good.
tower, the fan, and the t-shirt are orange.
Very good. And the t-shirt are orange. Next one.
I can find an armchair, a sofa, and a TV in the living room.
Very good. All your answers are correct. So this one, I will give this point to you. Kite, bird, beard, towel, fan, t-shirt, armchair, sofa, and TV. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 points.
9 crocodile.
Yeah. Maybe you can think of different object now because crocodile is very hard to draw. Maybe you want a star?
No.
What object do you like?
I like you. No. I like to draw a helmet. No. A ski boot. Draw a ski boot.
What is that?
Ski boot.
Ski boot?
Yeah.
Oh, that's very easy. I can do that. Oh, wait. I will erase this one first. So I can draw a ski boot. This is very easy. I can do that. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. And 9. Okay, I have 9 ski boots. Do you know how to draw it too?
Yeah, but I don't like.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Wait, I'm looking at my face because I just woke up. I'm fixing my hair. What are you doing now? Finish writing?
Writing?
Oh, you said you're writing.
I'm not writing.
Okay, then let's go to the next one. So we have here some vocabulary words. So the first one, what do you call this?
Armchair.
Very good. So what's the color of the armchair?
No.
What is the color?
I don't like this.
You don't like? Okay. Let's go to the next one. What is this?
Fan.
Fan. Okay. Next.
Sofa.
Sofa. Next one.
Brush teeth.
Again?
Brush teeth.
Brush teeth? No. Teeth brush? No. What's that? That's not brush teeth. That's not teeth brush. And what's that? It sounds like teeth brush. But what is the correct word that you will use? That's not teeth brush. Maybe you can change your word.
Toothbrush.
Yes, very good. Toothbrush. So do you have your toothbrush?
Yes.
What
Wait,
color?
you color sofa and armchair and color toothbrush and fan. Okay.
I will color the 2 chairs.
Yes, two
Okay,
chairs.
no problem. Okay, this is very easy.
Color again.
Oh. Are you finished coloring?
Not finished.
Okay, me, I'm finished with the first chair. Okay, next one, I will color the next chair. Okay, see, I'm finished. How about you? Not yet?
Yeah, I'm not yet.
Okay.
And then color the toothbrush. Paint.
Wow, what a nice toothbrush. That's color pink.
Finish.
Okay, very good. Oh, there's still the fan and the toothbrush. Okay, so now let's have activity B. Say which picture is different and why.
Oh.
Why? Do you want to erase it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so number 1, what picture is different and why?
Hippo.
Hippo?
Wait, I will
Oh,
circle it.
okay.
Hippo.
Next, why do you think hippo is different?
Because
Mm-hmm.
Hippo is an animal, not a weather.
Very good, because hippo is an animal and not a weather. How about number 2? Which one there is different?
On the table.
Okay. Why? Why is this your answer?
Because all 3 pictures is under, but this pictures is on the table.
Yes, very good, because the picture, the animal there in the picture is on the table while the others are under. Okay. Oh, can you see the crocodile now? Oh, there is a crocodile. Is that a crocodile or a lizard? What's that?
I think it's a lizard.
Me,
Crocodile can't under.
Me, I think
Can't
it's a
under the
crocodile because it's big. Okay, number 3, your answer is the sad face. Okay, why is this your answer?
Because 3 people is happy, but this people is crying.
Yes, because that person is crying. How about number 4?
The girl with the ball.
The girl with?
The ball.
Okay, why? Why is this your answer?
Because it's not animals.
Because the toy is not an animal. Very good. Okay, last one. What is the different one?
I think is I'm thinking.
Okay.
Is pencil.
A pencil.
Yeah.
Okay, why? Why a pencil?
Because a phone, a book, and that book is open, but it's all rectangle.
Okay.
And they can write.
Very good.
Can write.
Yes, that's correct. Because a pencil, you can write using a pencil, while a magazine, a cell phone, and a book, you can read on it. Okay, very good, Kanchi. Okay, so you got 5 points here.
Why?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 points. So what do you like? What do you like to draw now? We are finished with ski boots.
I like you to draw 5 princess: Snow White, Cinderella, Sleeping Beauty, and Mermaid.
Oh, that's very hard. And
I think only 4.
that's very hard. Okay, who is that again?
Only 4.
4 princesses?
Snow White, Sleeping Beauty.
Snow White, Sleeping Beauty.
Mermaid.
Little Mermaid.
Yes.
That's all?
No, it's just 3.
Okay, that's very... Snow White, Little Mermaid, and who is that again?
Sleeping Beauty.
Sleeping Beauty. Okay, I will draw first Little Mermaid.
Beautiful.
Okay. No problem. Teacher draws beautiful, right? Oh, wait a minute. I am wrong with here. Okay, let's fix the face. This is very easy.
Snow White is not easy.
Yeah, wait. This one is Little Mermaid.
Sleeping Beauty. Mermaid. Snow White. And one more.
Wait, I'm thinking.
Easy to draw.
Yeah, very easy to draw. Wait.
Where is the tail?
Yeah, here it is. Wait a minute.
It's not beautiful. I want
Wait. I'm not yet finished. I will give her a hair.
Oh, ugly.
Oh, see, it's very beautiful. That is Little Mermaid.
Then Sleeping Beauty.
Oh, wait, do you know how to draw that?
Now you draw Sleeping Beauty.
Oh, wait a minute. I will take a picture of my drawing. Because it's very beautiful. Oh, what's next? Sleeping Beauty?
Yes.
Oh, that's very easy.
Right. Easy.
Yeah, I can draw a mermaid. I can draw Sleeping Beauty. Okay, wait. I will just erase this line. Okay. Okay, I will draw Sleeping Beauty. First, I will draw the bed. Oh, my line is not.
No. Sleeping Beauty, wake up.
Sleeping Beauty, wake up. No, I want sleeping.
No.
Oh, wake up. Sleeping Beauty's wake up already.
Yeah.
Okay, that's very
And then you
easy.
draw a prince of the Sleeping Beauty.
Okay, no problem. It's very easy. Okay, so this one is Sleeping Beauty. Awake Sleeping Beauty. Oh, look at her face. It's so beautiful.
It's so ugly.
No, it's beautiful. And then now I will draw the gown. Okay, wait a minute. I will draw the dress first before the hands. Is Sleeping Beauty wearing a gown?
No, she's wearing a dress.
Ah, dress. Okay, this one is a beautiful dress for her. Okay, so here are her hands. It's behind her.
Sleeping Beauty, head small, body big.
Okay, here is Sleeping Beauty. I will give her a hair clip right here. A ribbon.
Wait.
See? That
Hopefully
is...
have you saved. Okay. Finish.
Why did you save? Is it beautiful?
No, it's ugly.
Oh, why did you save it? If it's ugly. Oh, it's beautiful.
And then Snow White.
Snow White, no problem. You want with the 7 dwarfs?
No. Snow White and then Rapunzel.
Oh, one only. One first. Snow White first.
No. Snow White and you erase and then Rapunzel.
Okay, very easy. Okay, so this Snow White has a short hair, right?
Yes.
Very
Because I
easy.
have a long hair.
Yeah.
Then you draw 7 dogs.
Yeah, okay. You want 8 dwarfs or
Snow White
7?
and 7 dwarfs.
7 only?
No. Snow White and 7 dwarfs.
Okay. Is Snow White wearing a dress? Yes. White, red, and blue.
Blue. White, red, blue.
Okay, wait a minute. What is the blue one? The lower part of the dress?
No.
Where is color blue? Wait, I will check.
No. On the t-shirt.
Ah, the
On the
t-shirt?
shirt.
Oh, wait a minute.
Above.
Wait. Ah, okay, above. Yeah, above is color blue. Wait, I will draw the feet first.
Wait, I will draw. One like this, and then.
And then she got short curly hair.
Wait, I want to mark. No, see, not curly hair, but straight hair.
No, her hair is curly.
Straight.
Oh, look at this picture. Oh, her hair is curly.
No. No.
Curly and wavy.
It's not curly. Wait, and I say that.
Wait, I'm not
Okay,
yet.
now.
We're not yet finished to color. I will color it first. Okay, the dress is blue. The upper part is blue.
No coloring. Rapunzel, where's my Rapunzel?
Wait a minute. I want to color because Snow White is very beautiful. Okay, and then the lower part.
Can I color with you?
Okay, no problem. What are you going to color? The hair or the dress? What do you want to color? Tell me.
A dress.
Okay, I will color the hair. So that our drawing will be more beautiful. Wow. Okay, now can you draw a headband for Snow White? Her headband is color red.
You color.
Okay, very nice.
Save. Okay, now.
Okay, now. Oh, wait, I will take a photo. Because it's very, yeah, it's very beautiful. Okay, what's next?
Rapunzel.
Oh, Rapunzel, that's very easy. Rapunzel has a very long hair, right?
Rapunzel and Cinderella is 5. Sleeping Beauty. Snow White, Mermaid, Rapunzel, and Cinderella.
Okay, now let's draw Rapunzel. Rapunzel has a long hair, right?
Yes, it's yellow. And
Yes.
then Cinderella.
Okay, that's
Then
very easy. So this one is Rapunzel, okay. So she's wearing a pink dress, right?
No, purple dress.
Ah, yeah, purple.
1, 2, 3. With you.
Okay, she's wearing a purple dress. So her hair is long and braided, right?
Look.
Wow. Yeah, that is the design of the dress of Rapunzel. Okay, let's color it. The hair is yellow.
Oh, it's not long. Wait,
Okay.
I want to longer.
Okay, you can extend the hair. Wow, yes.
It's longer.
Mm-hmm. It's longer.
Rapunzel can stand on her hair.
Yes, okay. I will color the hair now. Oh, you color the dress.
Okay, it's purple.
The dress is purple. Achung. Okay, so this one is very nice.
I finished coloring.
Okay, wait, I'm going to finish the hair first. Okay, so we're finished.
And I save.
Okay, wait, I will take a photo. Because it's very beautiful. Okay. What else? Who's next?
Last one. This
Okay,
is the last one.
Yeah, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I will just close the water.
Yes.
Okay, what else? What's next?
Cinderella.
Oh, that's very easy. Her dress is
No,
blue.
Cinderella with a beautiful dress.
Okay. Cinderella with a beautiful gown. Okay, I will draw and then you color it, okay?
No.
Oh, who will color it? Teacher too?
Yes. Tom, be quiet.
Wait, I'm imagining the gown. Okay, so the gown is very big, right?
It's beautiful now.
Yeah. Oh, you colored the gown now.
No, I colored the dress.
Okay. So Cinderella's hair is long.
No, it's not long. Cinderella has yellow too.
A yellow hair too? Okay. I thought her hair is white.
It's not white, it's yellow.
Okay, so I'm coloring the hair right now.
No. Cinderella, not that hair.
Ah, yes.
That hair.
Cinderella's hair is in a bun.
I can draw it.
Okay, oh wait, I'll erase the hair first. Okay, oh, you draw the hair now. I will color the dress.
Very good. This dress. And this.
Yeah, that is the hair of Cinderella. Oh, now let's color the dress.
You color, I don't like colors.
Okay, very nice. Oh, see?
Yes.
Oh, how about the hair?
It's yellow.
Okay. Wow, that is Cinderella. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture.
I want to save it.
Okay, I save it already. Okay, so very good. Yay! So we are finished drawing now. Okay. So, okay, anyway, Kanji, let's continue this class again later tonight, okay? We are going to draw again later. Okay? We're going to draw Anna and Elsa. And Olaf. And Olaf too.
Yes.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.